In this video, we're going to take a look at our 280ZX radio plates. These are made out of aluminum. You can see this one here, that's the radio delete plate, and this one has a cutout for a single DIN. These are raw aluminum. They're also available powder coated black. When you get them, you're going to get some 3M VHB tape as well. And so we'll take a little bit closer look on what you have to do to your factory radio area to prepare this, as well as putting the tape on. So you can see on this panel, it's already somewhat prepared. This is common. We've had a couple ZXs come through the shop, and most of them have already had something like this done to them, where the factory controls have all been removed, and this plastic has been cut open large enough to fit in a single DIN deck. And so they've cut from basically from here to here. This is part of the factory cutout, which would have been there. And so if you're just wanting to delete this, you don't have to do any of the cutting of the plastic. You would get the delete plate, and that fits in there like that. With the radio, with the single DIN cutout option, you can see that this fits and allows you to put the single DIN in. You will need to still mount the back of the single DIN and the bracketry to support it, because this front faceplate is not designed to support the weight of the head unit. So now that these are done, we'll go ahead and look at the tape. So once you've prepared this by either cutting it or just removing the factory knobs and radio, you need to keep it in there, obviously, so it doesn't fall back out. And so you get some 3M VHB tape, and double-sided, so you'll stick some to your faceplate, and then some will stick to the plastic. In reality, you don't need a lot. You could always just put it in a few spots, because one of the nice things about this 3M VHB tape is that once it's on, it does really well at sticking. So if you actually put tape around this whole thing, in all likelihood, you'd probably never be able to get it off if you ever wanted to. So one of the things that I like to do is use a roller. If you don't have one, that's fine. You know, you can just put a couple tabs around this where you know it's going to intersect with the plastic, or put on the plastic. Just clean the surfaces first, and make sure that you're applying decent pressure in order to ensure that everything's adhered. 3M also has on their website instructions, MSDS, and all kinds of information about their 3M VHB tape. So if you have any questions about this tape, they have it on their website, lots of information. These plates are available from Skillard.com. Also feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions.